Did you know that with Seesaw Plus or Seesaw for Schools, you can schedule assignments in the future? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you would do is select the activity that you want to use, then click Assign. And here, if you click on this, you can edit who you want to receive it. Right now it's going to my whole class. Then right down here, you can click Schedule. You can assign it immediately, or you can choose a different day and time. So maybe I want to assign it on August 15th at 8 o'clock a.m. Then you tap check and assign, and it'll say the date and time here. And that's all you need to do. That was so helpful for me last year when I was doing distance learning, that I could schedule it in the future while I was doing my planning so that I didn't have to go in every single day to schedule the assignments. I could do it all at once during my planning time.